Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel Tech with Ram. In today's video, we are going to look at how to host an HTML website on, on the cloud using S3. So if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to it. Please like, share and comment on this video to let us know on your feedbacks. Um, so without any further ado, let's get started. The prerequisite for this video is having an HTML website in your local ready to be hosted in S3. So if you do not have a HTML website ready, please, I would suggest to pause this video here and go and create an HTML website first. Uh, so I have an HTML website in my local like this. Let me just show you what it shows. So this is a local hosted HTML website. Here you can see that I have an HTML file that shows a brief description about me. Okay. So now I want to make this public with the help of Amazon S3. Okay, let's see how I can do that. For that, let's just go to S3. Okay, now let's click on create bucket. Let's give the bucket as first website, maybe Sriram. Okay, let's keep the region as South one itself. Let's keep all the settings as default for now and click on create bucket. Okay, there you go. Our bucket has been created. Click on this bucket. Okay. We can see that there's no objects inside the bucket at the moment. Let's click on upload and upload all the objects that I was just showing you. Let's go to the website folder. This is the home folder. Let me upload all the objects here. So since I use the add files option, only the files there would have been selected. The folders would not have been selected. So let me upload the folders one by one. There's a blog folder and an images folder as well. Yeah. Yeah, that's all the folder. That's all the files and folders I have. Let's click on upload. Let's see. This should be fairly quick. Let's wait till the upload is complete. Okay, halfway there. Yeah, the upload has been completed. Okay. So the key to each and every website that you host with HTML is the index.html file, which is the file that actually points to the other subfiles and shows up the website on the UI. So this is the most important file here. So let me copy the name of this file and go to properties of my S3 bucket. Okay. Scroll to the very end where you will see static website hosting. Click on edit and click on enable. Now hosting type, host a static website. Yeah, keep it as host a static website itself. Index document. So give the index document name as index.html that I just selected there. Okay, click on save changes. Okay, so if you go back, I can see that there's an endpoint for the website that's created. Let's click on this. Oh, you can see that I am getting an error saying 403 forbidden access denied. Okay. Now let's see how I can rectify this error. So for that, what we need to do first is by default, your bucket will not have public access. Okay. So for that, you need to first enable public access. So go to permissions and see this block all public access option. Click on edit and deselect this. So now click on save changes. Click on confirm. I mean, type confirm and confirm and enable it public. Okay, cool. After your bucket is public, let's just give it a try again and see if the error gets resolved. Okay, so let me go to permissions. No, let me go to properties. Let me go to static website hosting and see. Maybe I'll do a hard refresh as well. No, it's still at a access denied stage. Now let's see how we can tackle this error and remove it. So the resolution for this is basically, even if you made the bucket public, the files in it are not public yet because you have uploaded it before making the bucket public, right? So there is no way that these files will be public yet. These are still private. So to make these public, what we need to do is we need to enable access control lists first. Basically, if I select all the files here and click on actions, there is an option called make public using ACL. This is the way we have to make this public. But since this is disabled, let's see how we can enable this option. For that, go to permissions, scroll down, see access control lists. Okay. Here, when bucket owner enforced, use bucket policies to control access. So click on this bucket for owner and enforced. And now we can see that ACLs are disabled. Click on ACLs are enabled. Okay, bucket owner preferred. Now acknowledge it and click on save changes. Perfect. Now our ACLs are enabled. Okay. Nothing to be done here now. Go to objects and select all. Click on actions and you can see that this option has now been enabled. Click on make public using ACL. Click on make public. Yep. Your objects have been made public. So now let's go back to the endpoint and try refreshing it. Let's do a hard refresh. To do a hard refresh, press Control, Shift, and R on your screen. Press again, and there you go. My website has been successfully hosted on the UI. So you can ensure that this is public by maybe if I'm using a local browser, I can change to incognito. I can search for the same thing. And I can see that my website is now public and working the same as how it was there in my local when I showed you in the starting of this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and share your feedback in the comments. Thank you.